and mission and vision statements. This is if you don't know what your brand values are. Thank you, because I like to say please and thank you. Based on my target audience and product/service offerings, depending on what your business offers, could you please recommend 5 brand values that my business should embody? Now, you could also say 10, but let's start with 5, see what it gives you, and then say, thank you, could you give me 5 more? So that is if you don't know what your brand values are. And this is also, once again, just giving it that behind the scenes understanding of what your business is, so that the content and the strategy is unique to you. That's what it all comes down to, making sure it relates to you and it's not just very generic, okay? So that's what we'll put in if you don't know your brand values. If you do, okay, put it into the chat box. Thank you. I'd like you to reflect on my current brand values and provide guidance and suggestions for improvements. Please refer to the above information. Insert brand values here. Because we're going to put this prompt directly below what we've just done for customer avatar. Let's get it all built in this one section, just so it's all there and it's easy for you to then find it again. You can change it up a little bit as well. There you go. It knows me from custom instructions, so therefore it can give me some ideas. Okay, yes, so if you have 2 avatars, repeat the process. I also want you to look at your mission and vision statements. Given my brand values and customer avatar, could you please suggest 5 powerful mission statements for my business? So I think there's pretty much only one prompt for this, whether you know it or not. I mean, of course, you could also change and say, here's my existing mission statement. Can you please consider the above information, make your recommendations for improvements, right? So now it's going to pump out 5. Obviously, I only need 1, but I can then pick and choose and play around with that. So, thank you. Considering my brand's mission and values, could you please suggest 5 powerful vision statements to accurately reflect my business goals? So you press that one and then see what that gives you. And by the way, saying 5, it's just, I like to get options. If you just ask for give me 1, you often have to ask for more anyway. So you might as well ask for 5 or 10 and then way through it and then piece it together, then just get 1 and then, yeah. So once again, if you've already got those, feel free to copy and paste and say something along the lines of, thank you, with the above information in mind, can you please review my existing mission, vision, brand values, and tell me, are there any improvements? Or could you suggest 5 new versions, right? Because I know, unless you've gone through the mass brand strategy, which once again, if change may not be relevant anymore, it's good just to see what's done.